Welcome to eFinancial Models. In today's video, we will go over two lookup and reference function Excel, the index and match functions. Index and match combination is a good substitute for the VLOOKUP function because 1. You can search data up, down, right, or left. 2. It works with data arranged horizontally and vertically. 3. You can insert or remove a row or column with ease. It is dynamic as it keeps track of the changes and will not result in errors. Before we start, if you'd like to see more videos from us, please subscribe to our channel. To understand why these two functions are often paired, let us first go over each function separately and then combine the two. We have here a simple table with listed U.S. companies and its stock details. For presentation purposes, the table I created has conditional formatting, so it will be easy for you to see the results. I also put the row and column number for quick reference. The index function returns the value of a cell located at the intersection of a row and a column within a given range of cells. The index formula has three arguments. 1. The array or the range of cells where to look up the value, a row number within the array, a column number within the array. For example, if the data from our table B16 to H15 will be our array argument, then we input the number 2 as the row number and 3 as the column number. The result is a ticker symbol XOM. The index function looks up the value located at the intersection of the second row and the third column, which is where the symbol XOM is located. Let's do another example then. We will still be using the same array, so that will be B6 to H15. But this time we will input the number 1 as a row argument and the number 2 as the column argument. The result is information technology. The index function looks up the value located at the first row and the second column, which is where the sector name information technology is located. Now keep in mind we provided the row and column number, and the index function gave us the values. But what if we don't know exactly the row and column number? We now move on to the match function. The match function returns the relative position or location of a cell that matches or closely matches the value we want to look up. The match function has three arguments: the lookup value, which is basically the value we're looking for, the lookup array, or the range of cells to look from, and the match type, which specifies an exact match or a closest match. So for example, we want to know where McDonald's is in our list of companies. So we type the equal sign and match the lookup value, which is going to be McDonald's. The range of cells from which contains all the value of the company names is B6 to B15. And since we're looking for an exact match, we will choose the number 0 and close bracket. The match function returns the number 6, which means that McDonald's is located in the 6th row within the array B6 to B15. So let's do another example, but this time we will look up vertically and locate the position of the market cap. So we'll type in the equal sign and match. The lookup value will be the market cap, the lookup array, which will be the range of cells we're going to look from, which is going to be from B5 to H5. And since we're looking for an exact match, we'll use 0. The match function returns the number 5, which means that market cap is located in the 5th column within the array of B5 to H5. To sum up, the match function gets the position of the lookup value, and the index function uses the position to get the result. Now is the time to see the combination of index and match in action. We have an exercise similar to the ones we did before. We have two tables. One is the source data. The second table needs to be filled. So instead of typing the company name, I want to use a drop-down list to make the task faster. To create a drop-down list, I will go to the data validation, then I'll choose list. As for the source, I'm going to use B6 to B15 for the company names and click OK. Using the drop-down list, I can simply choose the company name. Convenient, isn't it? Doing so will prevent entering invalid data. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to make the drop-down list, please see the link on the description below. I will use the index and match function to look up what sector ExxonMobil belongs to. So we type in the equal sign and index. The array will be the range of cells where to get the sector names. So that will be from C6 to C15. Now instead of entering the row number, we will use the match function. So we type in match. The lookup value will be the company name ExxonMobil. The lookup array will be for the list of company names from B6 to B15. And since we're looking for an exact match, we will use 0. Then we'll close the bracket. So ExxonMobil shows that it belongs to the energy sector. Now let's tinker with the results. From our drop-down list, let's choose Johnson & Johnson. And what sector do we get? The healthcare, which is correct. Before we end this video, let me show you one last thing that makes index and match function a better substitute for VLOOKUP. What if you want to add a new column or a new row? What do? So simply insert a new column and see? Notice how the results does not change. You can also do the same when you want to remove data from the table. We hope this video was useful. If yes, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and visit our website efinancialmodels.com. Thank you for watching.